Better than French fries, super crispy potato, and very easy to make. For this recipe we will need 4 medium potatoes. I'll be cutting like this. And folks, this recipe is wonderful. It's very easy to do. You make it very fast and it's delicious. I'm sure everyone will love it. I'm going to add it to a bowl and put very hot water on top. Add a spoon of salt. Mix very well and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Okay, I've already removed the water. I'll be putting it on a paper towel and drying these potatoes like that. Now just transfer to a plastic film. Add olive oil on top. I will close and be mixing very well. And people are already commenting there for me from which city you are watching us. I'm going to send a big hug to each of you. I'm going to add 150 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a teaspoon of salt, oregano to taste, 2 garlic cloves, sweet paprika to taste. And we are going to mix very well. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Abigail from San Francisco, California. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I am now going to add grated breadcrumbs. Closing and mixing these potatoes very well. Until it stays like this here. Well, mix the ingredients right. I added a sheet of parchment paper. And I'm going to add our potatoes. Now just take it in a preheated oven at 356 degrees for about 20 minutes. And our potatoes were ready, and they were super delicious. You saw that it is very easy to do. So if you liked it already, share, and until next time. Goodbye.